Hi folks, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. This one's going to be a little unboxing. I bought myself a new grinder. Before we get into the video, as always, please like, share, subscribe. Check out in the description box below for all my friends and the links for the Wellbeing Centre. If you'd like to support my channel a little bit more, you can do so through Patreon, which is $1 a month, or through my Teespring store, which is a merchandise store. We have all sorts of products, hoodies, cups, trousers, all sorts of products in all sorts of colours. So go check that out, support us where you can, please. Like I said, I bought myself a new grinder. Here it is. There's actually nothing wrong with this one. I've had this one for about 4 or 5 years now. Yeah, 2017 I bought it. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this thing at all. You know, there's no play in the bearings or anything. I just wanted a second one because constantly changing the discs over is a pain in the arse. So, because I like this one so much, I bought exactly the same. I mean, this was Hinatashi, but they've just rebranded. So, let's have a look. Instructions. I need that. There you go. Pussy handle. Spanner. It's well packaged. Guard. I need that. So yeah, they pretty much are identical. Oh, excuse me. Other than just the name change. As I say, I really do like the way this feels. You know, it's got a real nice switch on it. This one should be the same. Yeah, you can work it one hand. I mean, I wouldn't advise it, but it's handy if you do need it. One thing I do like about these is that normal grinders. Yeah, one thing I do like about these grinders particularly is these cuts. Now, a normal grinder will have the nut, so you end up having to spin it over each time. This one, it's the same. You just put it that way every single time, and it will fit any disc, and it goes like really quite thin as well, so you can get in. You can just about see that. Come on, focus, you little twat. There you go. You can see how thin that goes. That's obviously not clamped down tight. But yeah, they're just a real nice grinder. You know, they work quite nice in your hand. And as I say, I've had that one for about 4 years. The cable's all still nice and good. You know, it hasn't snapped at the end. I mean, obviously, I look after it. I don't throw it around and stuff. I mean, it is an abusive tool. They do get knocked about, but you know, it's solid. I bought a cheaper one, and that literally lasted a year, if that. And the brushes went. This one still feels good. As I say, there's no play in the bearings at all on the cogs, and for what it is, it wasn't that expensive. It was only about 50 quid, I think, from tool station. So yeah, well happy with it. I recommend these Hikoki grinders all day long. The only difference I think between this one and that one is this one's 600 watts, that's 720, so I should have a bit more cutting power, although I've never had any issues. I use the thin slicing disc, and this just powers through everything all the time, no problem at all. So there you go, that was literally just a quick unboxing. You know, as I say, I do like these grinders. It's lasted a while, and I'm pretty certain you can buy all the spares for it, so if the brushes ever do go in it, I can buy new bearings and rebuild it without having to worry. But to be fair, for the cost of it, you know, literally $49.99 it was. It's a no-brainer. You know, don't spend like 30 quid on a cheap grinder for it to only last a year, when you can spend, you know, 50 quid and it lasts, well, it's lasted me 4 years at least, probably longer. Yeah, about 4 or 5 years I've had it. So yeah, as I say, it's just a quick one, rambling on a little bit. Sorry about the hat. I'm in dire need of my barnet cut. I mean, seriously, look how fluffy that is. It's that time of year though, I might get shaven off again because it's getting colder and I'll be wearing my beanie all the time, so I'll probably just shave it off. So next video you see me bored, you know why. Anyway, I'll speak to you later.